Special thanks to our friends over at SUPCASE who were nice enough to send us this iPhone 14 Pro Max Unicorn Beetle case. So let's take it out of this box and put it on our iPhone 14 Pro Max. That's it for the box. Inside of here, oh yes, these are my favorite. Little instruction guide of how to use the holster. Oh, look at that beautiful phone case. Very nice. So first included is the holster, which for me, this was something that I always enjoyed about SUPCASE cases, is they always had a clip, and I used to love having my phone on a clip on my side. I still do whenever I'm wearing pants with a belt loop. Other than that, I just slide it in my pocket though. But love that. Then here is our phone case. So this one has a little door for protecting the camera array. Love that. You can see here for the wireless charging, that's nicely available. Let's pop our phone in here. There we go. Very nice and easy. I mean, look at that. Wow. Nice protection here on the sides. You can see how thick the corners are. So if you were to drop your phone and it hits on a corner, it should be pretty well protected. All of the cutouts for the buttons and everything are perfect as they should be. Power button over here, of course. Little SUPCASE logo there, and the UB for Unicorn Beetle there. And then of course, that's such a unique way to do it. And that's like made out of some kind of aluminum-y filling cover. Very, very nice. And there's a soft like velour on the inside. That is a really, really unique phone case. Never seen one like that. Definitely one of the best protectors for that camera module that I've seen. So thanks again to our friends at SUPCASE who were nice enough to send us this iPhone 14 Pro Max Unicorn Beetle case with this really unique camera protector. Love it. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.